These are other forms of Ikenga. This is a ceremonial Ikenga. This other one you have here is also a ceremonial Ikenga. If you look at this Ikenga, you can see the Ikenga is holding a tusk, elephant tusk. And this one is a short dagger, which they use in making exploits. This very form of Ikenga, that is ceremonial Ikenga, some of them come with Ikenga holding a fan, hand fan. But if you look at this one, it's holding the staff of righteousness in Igbo land and justice called Ofo. And this one is the elephant tusk. If you look at the ankle here, you find the elephant tusk to show that it's a kind of, to show affluence, royalty, showing his exploits. Then you can look at the thing that makes them unique as a Ikenga, the headgear, the ram-headed Ikenga in a stylized form. But like I told you, the origin, Ikenga is an emperor god of Ndigbo land. That is why in most of the universities, they started earlier in Igbo land. They use Ikenga because Ikenga is meant for achievement. Ikenga is a god that helps people when they look at Ikenga, it will make them to strive for achievement. So, and when you achieve a lot, people will feel that your Ikenga is powerful and upright because it's meant for conquest, to conquer any problem in life. That is why people look at Ikenga as an emperor god who can do and undo, and it must help you to achieve success. That's why some of them, any full-blooded Igbo man must try to have his own Ikenga. In the ancient times, they appease. They make so many sacrifices to Ikenga in order to help them achieve success, to be like the Ikenga. Any Ikenga they wish themselves to be is. There are some Ikenga that you can find with long den guns to show that that person is a hunter and he likes to make exploits in hunting, which is his own career or business or vocation, something like that. So you can find Ikenga with a gun, Ikenga with a hand fan, Ikenga with a machete, Ikenga with a elephant tusk. And that's why in some of the Ikenga you may see, you'll be able to identify them because it shows their typology.